Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm working with the Globeland dies that I unboxed for you last time, and I will leave links down below to the unboxing video as well as the products, the links to where you can find these. So this is what I'm working with today. These are the ice cream dies as well as these frame dies. So the interesting thing about these frame dies is that the biggest die here is too big for a card, and I only focused in then on this one. So when you cut out this die, it actually cuts out the insert as well. So you can take your frame and flip over the inside, and then you've got a different pattern on there. So that's really simple. This is using the Sweet Rush collection from Vicki Boutin, and it came in my SCT sampler, which this sweet die did as well, and I thought that was a perfect tie-in with a sweet ice cream cone. So you can see here how I have created a very simple card with a plain background, so plain cardstock, and then two different patterned papers popped up on foam dots, and then I put a butterfly on top of that, put a sticker over the Hello You. You could even jazz this up with a little bit of enamel dots or something, but I'm happy with the cute simplicity of this card. This one here was another example, a very vibrant color. I don't normally work with vibrant colors like this, but because it came in the sampler, I thought I would try to embrace it, but it's a lot busier than I like. I much prefer a card that is clean like this. This has a lot going on, but I liked this good food, good mood. Although I don't think that's exactly what they were trying to capture. I mean, who doesn't feel good when they're eating ice cream? But I think really what they are trying to promote is eating healthy food will give you a good mood, which both are true. Long-term healthy food is better for you. Short-term ice cream does taste good. Anyway, so again, I've done the pattern paper, and then I did come in with the other dies as well, and I did one more insert, but it wasn't quite tall enough. So this good food, good mood actually hides the fact that this doesn't extend all the way to the top of the frame. So you've got now the different layers here. This colorful frame, and then I flipped inside the ombre, just very simple plain background, and then I come in with that bright yellow, and again two different ice cream cones. And then this one I did not top up with an interior one. I just did the outline base and then the interior one. So I'm going to show you what I mean here. So those are a couple of cards that I've made with that. So I have created one of these bookcases, and I am going to decorate each book with a ice cream cone. And so I have left those blank on the inside. There. And so I've gone ahead and pre-cut out all of the different shapes. So I just wanted to start sort of building the ice creams together to see what colors looked best. So this is kind of fun, but this would need to go on that kind. This could go on there. So you have lots of opportunities to play with these bases, and I don't have that yet. See, the cones look upside down there. Oh, I really like that. That's on the other side of this. Oh, that's interesting. That's the same pattern. Let's come in with like a blue one, maybe. Ooh, this black. Neat. Okay. This matches really well because the interior of that lining is black. So that's a good pairing. But I also have to keep in mind that I can come in with another ice cream that goes inset here. So you might want to focus on something like this gray background is good, because then you can have that sort of pink added as well. That's cute, because so that's a nice neutral. This could possibly be a good, no, I don't like that. This is nice though. That's cute. I think I'm going to keep it like all single layered cones. And then I'm going to come in with the sticker sheet and I'm going to put one of the words on as the base. So I just wanted to show you sort of the process of how this works, and I'll come back once everything is done. Okay, and here are the final products with the ice cream decorations. So you can see the cute little book they've created here. I've added the sunshine on top, and I've just popped that up on foam tape, just that one piece. And I've layered on top just one word on each of them, and the bow adds a nice sort of element of texture as well. This one says summer fun, and then it's got the 3 little enamel dots. And this one says our paradise. So I've altered where they are. This one I put on the right, the left, the bottom, and on top. So I've varied up the different positioning of them. And this one here looks like that. So there those are. And now they can all fit inside. I wanted to be careful not to pop them up too much because they have to still fit inside of this box. And they've got all their sweets and treats inside. So each of them have candies in there. This one's the fullest one. Probably I really tried to pack them jammed with candies as much as would fit in. But there we go there. So I'm not sure if that was the positioning that I originally had in mind for how they would look. But I mean, it doesn't really matter how you put these all together. They are in there, and that is the completed project. So there you go. That is how I have used the dies. And here are the other cards. So this here right there would make a cute little birthday gift. In fact, it is a birthday gift. And that's like a nice little set, even though those collections don't go together. They're bright and colorful. Even this one could go together. So thank you so much for watching. Again, all the links will be down below. And this bookcase was a tutorial that Tony in America, Craftpurge, has created, and there are lots of other examples of people who have followed ever since. Although I forgot, I wanted to add my feet to the bottom of this. I just have to find my matching. Now, do I only have 3 of these? Did my daughter steal my other one? I could come in and do 2 and 2. I thought I had 4 of these bubblegum ones. I could do the light blue in the front and the dark blue in the back. Let's see how this would look. Like that. Yeah, I've got to glue those little feet on. Forgot about those. There's the little feet on the bottom. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.